Hello, we'll explore about teaching counting through daily activities. Bring children's attention to simple walking. As they walk, you can just count. Children may not know counting at all, they may not know numbers at all, but it could just be counting. I mean, you count, one step, two step, three steps, four steps. Or when you call a child to you, you can say, you can count and you say one, two, three. Oh, you came to me before I counted three. You could be counting the stairs that we are climbing up and stairs when we are climbing down. So climbing up becomes a little easier. We don't feel the pain when we are also associating it with counting. You could also count how many jumps that I can do before I stop or I get tired. How many hops, right? And you could count when I'm eating something. How long does it take for me to chew a carrot before swallowing it? Then I can teach children to chew a little slower and a little longer, and then say, okay, now finish. You cannot swallow the carrot until I have counted till 10. Something like that is when you can incorporate this counting as we walk forward, as we walk backward. We also need to do sideward movements. We can walk sidewards, both left and right, and we could also go tall, 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 go move up and go down. So we have three-dimensional movements: forward and backward, left and right, and top and bottom. And we can do all of these when we count, as we count. Variation for this could be walk forward with your eyes closed. So that's a challenge. But then children are comfortable walking now, so you could say walk one step forward with eyes closed, similarly two steps or whatever, and same backwards and sidewards, up and down. We repeat all those three-dimensional movements. We could also have something on their head like a bean bag, place it on the head, so we walk and we do not drop it. So the posture to be erect comes up because they have to balance. They're also paying attention to it while they're also counting. So the counting is becoming automatic, and they're paying attention to the posture as they walk forward, backwards, sidewards, and also up and down. So when we bring variation of counting, we bring vegetables home. Let's count how many tomatoes, potatoes. Or you could like cut the potato, onion, and then see the layers, how many layers of onions are there. So you are bringing attention of child to observing the onion. And maybe when I cut a potato, the child will expect to see the layers, but it sees something else. So you are also encouraging the observation, which is foundation to learning science. You're doing counting, you're giving the vocabulary, so it becomes all integrated along with seeing things in my in the nature around me. Uh, Objects that are naturally available. I don't really have to buy anything for this, but get child engaged in the day-to-day chores. So other example could be when we take shower, like how many mugs of water am I pouring on myself? Count that. How many steps is it to go from sofa to the dining table? Count the steps. So the child will learn estimations, will learn to say, okay, I can reach there in 5 steps or 8 steps. I mean, these are all building up over a period of time, but these are the activities we begin doing with children on regular basis. So it becomes fun thing, and children don't have time for tantrums, and these are the activities for them, but something that's casual for us, learning for them. And we also learn along the way, how children respond to our cues, and how do they what kind of activities they enjoy and things like that. Good luck.